This is a video of two HVAC techs pulling an old Magic Pack, often called an HWC, out of its wall sleeve in a mechanical closet with bifold doors. The picture is somewhat dark, but you can see the supply air opening on the top where the ductwork was removed. The electric, gas, and condensate drain have been disconnected. Lastly, the 5 bolts along the top that hold the HWC to the wall sleeve have been taken out. Now it's good old brute strength that's needed to slide it out. A few good grunts and away she comes. Once it's taken away from the sleeve, you can see straight out. Nothing but air in the opening. The new Comfort Pack will slide directly into this same sleeve. This starts out blurry but gets better. In the upper left you can see a National Comfort Products Comfort Pack unit being installed into an existing Magic Pack or HWC wall sleeve. The Comfort Pack, or CPG, is a drop-in replacement for a Magic Pack. There were no building modifications needed. The inside ductwork was not changed and the gas, electric, and condensate drain lined up nicely. The entire replacement process involved 2 techs and took a little over 2 hours. Note that beside the new appearance, the Comfort Pack and Magic Pack look the same from the outside. Comfort Pack comes with the grill you see, but options are available. The Comfort Pack is a modern upgrade replacement for old. Although this video is dark as well, the 2 techs are now sliding the cooling chassis into the Comfort Pack. This was taken out to make the installation easier. Putting it back in takes them about 45 seconds. The cooling chassis is a complete cooling system. It's like an outside air conditioner with an evaporator coil and 1 slide-out drawer or sled. The indoor blower assembly is part of the chassis. The Comfort Pack supplies 2 Molex plugs to complete the wiring. No field wiring is required. A few screws finish the installation process. The Comfort Pack is preferred by service personnel because the chassis has 2 factory-installed service ports in the cooling system. The Comfort Pack is a modern, upgraded replacement for old Magic Packs. Many of the service features that have been added to the new Comfort Pack were those suggested by people who have lived with Magic Packs for long periods of time. It was well thought out and is, again, the modern upgrade replacement for Magic Pack.